Welcome to Miles and Dash's PAL 14. Welcome to Miles and Dash's PAL 14. Today's PAL is weights. Imagine you have two of each of the weights above. The weights above are A, which equals 1, B, which equals -3, C, which equals 9, and D, which equals -27. Different combinations of weights available allow you to make different totals. Here are some examples. B plus C equals 6. B plus 2C equals 15. A plus 2B plus C equals -4. 2A plus B plus 2C plus D equals -10. Notice that you do not have to use every weight each time. Question number 1. What is the largest sum you can make following the rule?
We found that the largest sum that was possible to make was 20. And the way to make that was 2 C's and 2 A's.
Which would be 1 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9. Question number 2.
Question number 2. What is the smallest sum you can make?
The smallest sum that you can make, with the allowed amount of weights is -60. So to do this is B plus D plus D plus D.
So what do you notice about
Which would be -3 plus -3 plus -27 plus -27. This is done by
And you can only
adding the
use
maximum number of weights to 2 of each negative weight,
So you need
and
3 of a
B and
number
D are the only negative ones.
to make 0.
B
You
equals
only use 2.
-3 and D
And
equals
what's the relationship
-27. When you
between
add
all
the
these
two
numbers?
together, when you add 2 of each together, you get -60.
So 1,
So number 3, the question is,
-3, 9, -27.
Can you make all the numbers in between? Show me how.
so the answer is yes for number 3.
And here it is. So just put it up on
So to
the
get from 1 to
video.
-3
Because you have that on your computer.
times
So-
-3, get from negative,
The way to
then
do it,
-3 times -3 is 9.
here are all
9
the
times
numbers in
-3
between.
is
Kabam!
27. So you're multiplying each
This
one
is how.
3.
So I found out that each letter has its own pattern within making the numbers. So the pattern for A would be 2 A's, then 1 A,
So if you
Then
were
a
going to
blank
try and
space
make 0, what would
going
you
down
do?
in the list like you can see. And for
You have to
C,
use 3 of one of the numbers,
it would
right?
be not
Because
9 of 2 C's,
with each number, it's 3 times,
then 9
number
of 1
4.
C,
right?
and then 9 spaces.
Okay, hold on.
So for
The reason
B,
why you need 3 of them
it'd
is
be
because
3
in order to
spaces.
cancel out 1,
it
you
starts
need
with
to use
3
3 of another,
spaces, then 1, 2,
right?
3 B's, and then 3 double B's. Now, for D's, there would be 27 spaces, 27 D's, and then 27 2D's. And the way that this works, the pattern works, is that if it's positive, like C and A are, it would start with double, go to 1, then space. And if it's negative, it would start space, 1, double. So it'd be like, and the amount of doubles or ones or spaces in the list is determined on what number the letter corresponds to, such as A being 1 double A, 1 A, 1 space, repeat. Or for B's, there would be 3 spaces, 3 B's, and 3 double B's. So you kind of get that,
To
right?
cancel out the one before.
Question number 4 is the question that I will handle too because Dash didn't really answer it.
What?
It said the question for question number 4 was, for each sum, is there only one way of producing an answer, or can different combinations produce the same answer?
Like, oh.
All Dash said was no.
You can only use 2
That's
of a
not my
number,
fault.
and you need
That
3,
is your fault.
right?
Okay, maybe
Which said-
sometimes.
Yeah, and then for number 4,
Can't wait to be
for
done.
each sum is only one way of producing an
Okay.
answer. And different combinations produce the same answer.
So, for question number 4, the answer is no, because
So what was her?
following this pattern, such as the 9, the 9 C's, 9 double C's, 9 C's, 9 spaces. There was no way to do that pattern in a different way, making it work every single time.
That when you.
So like,
talk to the school.
for getting 20, the only possible way is 2 C's and 2 A's. Hello.
Or you could just listen to that. She's honest.
And the only possible way for 19 would be 2 C's and 1 A,
You're doing it.
because there's no way getting it from the positive number to get that.
So basically, we did every single possible combination
But it only worked
Well-
once.
will make negative 60 through 20.
Through
There,
20.
each pattern or each group of numbers can only make one
Each group of letters can only
Letters.
make one
thing.
one number.
Mhm.
Because you know that there are like 20, 20, 20, 20, 60, 80. There are 81 combinations, and there are only 81 combinations, and there are only 81 numbers. So you can't have more than one combination for the same number. Thank you! This episode of Cow was sponsored by Mr. Lindsay.